The VJ628's waste ink tank collects and stores excess fluid passed through the machine during the printer's initial setup, scheduled cleanings,
and regular print flushing.
A flashing error light may indicate a full waste ink tank, but we encourage users to view the ValueJet status monitor daily to check ink levels as well as the waste ink tank. When the VSM shows the waste tank to be full, pull out the waste ink tube located on the right side of the machine and insert its tip into a PET bottle for transfer. Then simply release the tube clip to allow a free flow of the waste ink. You or an assistant may need to lift the opposing side of the printer to assist the ink flow, but make sure that one hand is always holding the ink tube in the transfer bottle. Once the tank is empty, return the waste ink tube. Then, in the VSM software, click Reset Waste Ink. A confirmation window should open. Simply click Yes to set the counter back to 0.